Hello, I am Eldon Dahl. I am the founder and CEO of Life Choice. I have a doctorate in natural medicine and I have been in the industry for 30 years now into research and development. Today I'd like to talk to you about adrenal gland. What are adrenal glands? We have two adrenal glands, one on top of each kidney. Adrenal glands are for the fight or flight. So when you come under stress, that's when the adrenal glands, which produce adrenaline, kick in. Adrenal glands, because of our stressful lifestyle, is under attack. Most of their adrenal glands are suffering. And you'll see this with, say, chronic fatigue syndrome. This is a result of adrenal fatigue. Chronic fatigue syndrome is also related to, because they're both related to a lack of having proper functioning adrenal glands. Adrenal glands are available by several sources. Some are trying to do it as one that is from plants, first to take them in, and then your body would then convert it into adrenal gland or stimulating your adrenal glands. And what we use is pure concentrated adrenal glands from bovine, sourced from New Zealand, where they test all the animals. So there is no possibility of having mad cow disease, BST, and there is no possibility of contaminants because they're grass-fed. They don't have any injections, no hormones, and it's the purest there is. And when you bring adrenals under control in your body, your stress levels are recharged. It also affects your thyroid gland, because adrenals and thyroid work hand in hand because your endocrine system comes under attack also. Well, you'll find when you take adrenal gland, you may start cleaning, you may start working around the house, you may have more energy, and you'll just wonder why. It's the adrenal glands. Your adrenal glands are functioning and they're working properly. You will have the adrenaline in a natural state that is not over or not under, and you will feel wonderful. So adrenal glands that are sourced from a reliable source like we do, in its pure state, will balance your body and give you a healthy lifestyle. Adrenal Glands by Life Choice. Thank you.